Do you want to know the secrets to making money each month, but with Pinterest as affiliate marketing? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding freelancing, identifying your skills, and more. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Pinterest affiliate marketing and how you can start making money each month. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion for Pinterest into a reliable income stream, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the basics of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, including how to choose the right products, create eye-catching pins, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. We'll also share some proven strategies that can help you achieve consistent earnings. As the digital landscape evolves, learning new techniques is crucial for staying ahead and maximizing your income potential. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, stick around to discover how you can leverage Pinterest to boost your monthly earnings. Understanding Pinterest affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. On Pinterest, this concept is particularly powerful because the platform is designed for discovery and inspiration. When you create visually appealing pins that link to affiliate products, you can drive significant traffic to those links. Users often turn to Pinterest for ideas and recommendations, making it an ideal space for product promotion. By sharing engaging content that resonates with your audience, you can encourage them to click through to your affiliate links. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This creates a win-win situation. Your followers find valuable products, and you generate income. Understanding how to effectively utilize Pinterest for affiliate marketing can open up new avenues for revenue and help you build a sustainable online business. Setting up your Pinterest account. To kickstart your affiliate marketing journey on Pinterest, the first step is to set up a business account. Simply visit the Pinterest website and select the option to create a business account. This will give you access to valuable analytics and promotional tools. Once your account is created, focus on optimizing your profile. Use a professional profile picture and write a compelling bio that reflects your niche. Creating themed boards is essential. They should align with your target audience's interests and include relevant keywords. This not only organizes your content, but also enhances discoverability. When adding pins, be sure to use descriptive titles and engaging descriptions filled with keywords. This will improve your visibility in search results, making it easier for potential followers and customers to find your content. A well-optimized account is crucial for driving traffic and boosting your affiliate marketing success. Finding profitable affiliate programs. Identifying and joining the right affiliate programs is crucial for your success on Pinterest. Popular options include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate, which offer a wide range of products to promote. When selecting affiliate programs, focus on products that resonate with your audience's interests and needs. Consider what your followers are likely to search for and engage with on Pinterest. This alignment will increase the chances of conversions. Additionally, take the time to research commission rates and terms for each program. Some may offer higher commissions or more favorable payout structures than others. Understanding these details will help you make informed decisions about which products to promote. By choosing the right affiliate programs, you can create content that not only attracts attention, but also generates income, making your Pinterest affiliate marketing efforts more effective and rewarding. Creating engaging pins. Designing eye-catching pins is essential for driving clicks and boosting your affiliate marketing success on Pinterest. Start with high-quality images and graphics as visually appealing content captures attention and encourages users to engage. Use bright colors and clear visuals that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. Next, craft compelling titles and descriptions that not only describe the content, but also spark curiosity. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance discoverability in search results. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of call to action phrases. Phrases like discover more, shop now, or learn how can significantly boost engagement by prompting users to take action. By combining stunning visuals with persuasive text and clear calls to action, you can create pins that not only attract clicks but also drive traffic to your affiliate links, ultimately increasing your chances of earning commissions. Utilizing Pinterest SEO. Understanding the significance of SEO on Pinterest is crucial for increasing your pin visibility and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Start by identifying relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your pin descriptions, titles, and even image file names to improve your chances of appearing in search results. Timing also plays a vital role. Pinning at optimal times when your audience is most active can significantly enhance engagement. Use Pinterest Analytics to determine when your followers are online. Additionally, don't forget to leverage hashtags. Including a few relevant hashtags in your pin descriptions can enhance discoverability, making it easier for users to find your content. By effectively utilizing Pinterest SEO strategies, you can boost your pin visibility, attract more followers, and ultimately increase your affiliate marketing success. Analyzing performance metrics. Tracking and analyzing your Pinterest performance is essential for optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy. Pinterest Analytics provides valuable insights into how your pins are performing, allowing you to measure your success effectively. Key metrics to monitor include impressions, which indicate how many times your pins have been seen, and clicks, which show how many users engage with your content. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can identify which pins resonate most with your audience. Additionally, pay attention to engagement rates and saves, as these can provide further insights into your content's effectiveness. Based on this performance data, don't hesitate to make adjustments to your strategy. Experiment with different types of content, posting times and keywords to see what works best. By continuously analyzing your performance metrics, you can refine your approach and improve your results over time. Scaling your efforts to effectively scale your Pinterest affiliate marketing efforts. Consistency is key. Regularly pinning fresh content and engaging with your audience helps maintain visibility and keeps your followers interested. Aim to pin daily, mixing original content with repins to maximize reach. Collaborating with other Pinterest users or influencers can also amplify your efforts. Partnering with those in your niche allows you to tap into their audience, increasing your exposure and potential for conversions. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams by joining multiple affiliate programs. This not only spreads your risk, but also provides a wider range of products to promote, catering to different segments of your audience. By implementing these strategies, staying consistent, collaborating, and diversifying, you can effectively scale your Pinterest affiliate marketing efforts, leading to greater traffic, engagement, and ultimately increased earnings. In conclusion, we explored essential strategies for making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. We discussed the importance of setting up a professional account, creating engaging pins, and utilizing Pinterest SEO to enhance visibility. We also highlighted the significance of tracking performance metrics and scaling your efforts through consistency, collaboration, and diversifying income streams. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's time to take action. Implement the strategies we've covered to start seeing results in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for you. Remember, the key to success lies in taking that first step. So get started today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care